Hi everyone, today in front of me I have this Realme C31 smartphone, and in this video I would like to show how you can set the Opera app as your default browser on this device. So as we can see, we have successfully downloaded and installed the app itself. So in order to make it the default browser, just go to settings. Here choose the apps and notifications category. At this menu go for the default apps, browser app, and here just select the Opera, and from now on it will be the default browser on your smartphone. There is also the second way to make it to make the Opera default browser. So open up the Opera, go for settings. Here scroll down a little bit and you will see the default browser. Setting, tap on it, click on next, select Opera and choose set as default. So that was pretty much it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.